Along my journeys in the online business world and in life, seeing so many people around the world struggle with poverty, homeless, and despair, I was looking for a solution to this reoccurring problem. Then one day I was introduced to this amazing business model Onpassive from a fellow business partner and listened to the CEO of the company, Ash Mufareh. After listening to this amazing gentleman for an hour, I was convinced I was in the right place at the right time because Ash's vision to eradicate poverty resonated with my vision. As we get closer to the global launch of Onpassive, and with the help and desire of our fellow angels and leaders, I am confident that we will achieve this goal to eradicate poverty moving forward. I thank the Lord, our generous CEO Ash Mufareh, and our wonderful leadership for creating a platform to make the world a better place. Thank you all so much. This is Robert Tantullo, your fellow legacy leader and proud Onpassive founder.